Hey guys, Daps here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited about sharing this video with you. In this video, I want to show you 5 web hostings that you can get to host your website for free. I also mentioned my best if you try to follow up the 5. I also will share a bonus tip at the end, which would be my recommended hosting for you to use if you are looking for the best. If you are watching my video for the very first time, you're welcome here. I am Daps. I upload videos every now and then around WordPress. I teach you the things that work and the things that do not work. I make you look like a pro even if you're a non-techie. So if you're new around WordPress, you want to learn anything or two, consider joining the family. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I keep uploading awesome videos like this. So without wasting so much time, let's get started. So the first on my list is the most popular one out there. It is InfinityFree. They claim to give you the fastest free hosting, 99.9 uptime, unlimited hosting, completely free, and you can host any domain. Yes, quite frankly, you can use one of their subdomains, and you can also connect an existing domain to InfinityFree. But one of the issues I have with InfinityFree is because it's the most popular one out there, every Tom, Dick and Harry jump on InfinityFree, and the platform have been somewhat reduced to spam, and that's the challenge I have with InfinityFree personally. So apart from my experience using InfinityFree, I also went around to check what people are saying about this platform. So you can see that this platform is somewhat great. It has a 3.8 reviews, which is not the best, but again it's still the best that you would see from these free hosting platforms. So you can see from 806 reviews, you would see that it has 55% 5 stars, it has another 15% 4 stars, a 5% 3 stars, and then it has a whopping 20% of just 1 star. So if you're really looking for something free, I would advise that you check out InfinityFree. So in case you want to use InfinityFree, you can check the description below, or you see a link on the screen right now to a tutorial I already have on this channel to how to set up InfinityFree and host your website for free using InfinityFree. This is taking me to the second hosting company out there, and that is ProFreeHost. It says it gives you unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, MySQL databases, and trust me, all these things are not true. Doesn't it bother you when people say they give you all these things for free, unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, 100% free, and you wonder then what are people paying for when they pay for managed hosting, when they pay for some even shared hosting, and you wonder, some even VPS hosting, then you wonder what are they paying for? And the truth is that these people know how to limit you. They know how to give you certain restrictions using their server. So beyond my expertise, you could see that people are not saying nice things about this host. From 15 reviews, they have just 3.0, which is not too bad. They have 27% 5-star ratings, 4% 13% 4-star ratings, 7% 3-star ratings, and a whopping 53% 1-star rating. People will always, one thing I note about reviews is that people are very fast to give negative reviews and positive reviews. But the thing is that you can test out, you can check ProFreeHost in case you are looking to get a free hosting, but I don't recommend ProFreeHost if you are looking to have a very serious website. If you want to check out ProFreeHost and you want to see how you can set up your website on ProFreeHost, I also have a link in the description to ProFreeHost tutorial that I have on this channel, and you can also perhaps see a link on the screen right now that can take you to that tutorial for you to check out. And that's taking me to the next one, which is the third website, which is Freehostia. Trust me, this hosting is not that popular. This hosting gives you some form of control, and you can see here Freehostia is quite different. You will see that you can only host 5 hosted domain. You only have 250 MB disk space, and you can take 6 gigabyte monthly traffic. I wonder how. 3 free email accounts, and you can only have one MySQL database. So it means even if you have 5 hosted domain, you can only have one database, and one database can only serve one website. So literally it really means you cannot host more than one website per time, and you have 10 megabyte of MySQL data storage. Freehostia won't give you a free subdomain, and Freehostia will require that you use a premium domain for you to be able to use their service, and that's limiting to a certain extent, but that's the reason why it is the most premium free hosting platform out there, in my opinion. They only allow you to do premium domains like .com, .org, and .net, all those ones that you can pay for. They also try to sell that domain to you for something as high as $20, but trust me, you can always get that somewhere else for as low as $10. I also try to check what people are saying about the platform. Very terrible reviews from 5 people. You will see that most of them are giving it 1 star, and if you read, you will see that this form of limitations they put around their hosting is the reason why people are giving them all these negative reviews. If you want to learn how to use Freehostia, check the description below, or also the link on the screen right now, to see an existing video I have on Freehostia on how to set it up to get the best out of it. And also that's taking me to the next one, which is Byet.host. Byet.host to me offers free hosting services as well. One particular thing I cannot but mention about this host is how unprofessional their cPanel looks. It looks so haphazard, so not put together. It looks like a child's play, in all honesty. One thing again that I noticed is there's a lot of spam on this host account, so is the reason why I would never even recommend that you try. So people are not really giving them reviews online, so you can see here they have just 1 review, and that person are giving them a 1 star. And you can see, I find your hosting service used for phishing attacks. So that's the reason why this person has come to give a negative review. So you can see all the phishing sites like this, and all these sites are hosted with subdomains from Byet.host, and people just create all these websites just to use them for as a fish site, and which is not too good. But again, if you want to find your way around Byet.host, I still have a link in the description for you to see how you can set things up. I have tested with the platform. I can show you what it is inside there, and how you can find your way around installing your website using their free platform. To the last one on my list, which is the 5th, is AwardSpace. AwardSpace also is another platform that will give you free hosting services, but as usual it's not any different from the others. You get limited server resources. I also realized that their control panel is not the usual one, so in case you are not very familiar with cPanel, you may find things very confusing. You can also see what people are saying about AwardSpace.com. It is from 25 reviews, they have 2.0. They have a whooping 56% giving them a 1 star, and 32% giving them 5 stars, and 12% are in between 4 and 3 stars. What do I really recommend? What I really recommend for anybody who is trying to do any form of business is to get the best budget hosting out there. That's my recommendation. This is not me trying to make a sale. This is me trying to tell you out of experience what is best for you to do. And after my research, trying to test out the best budget hosting out there, I have come to the conclusion that Hostinger is the best budget hosting out there. You can host your website for as low as $2.99 per month. That is amazing, and sometimes it gets as low as $1.99 when there are amazing sales going on, like Black Friday, like Cyber Monday. You can see that for you to have a 1-year plan, as this. If you scroll down, you can pay for as low as $35 for a 1 year plan, and that's amazing. $35 will save you all the headaches. And the thing is, I also can even give you a coupon code that you can use to still get something lesser. So if you use the coupon code called Daps to apply, you will see that you can pay as low as $32 for a 1 year plan. Is it not amazing for you to spend something this low for a 1 year plan and gives you access to a lot, up to 100 website, unlimited traffic, 247 support, free SSL? You can have 99.9. As a matter of fact, in recent times, these guys have been up to like 100% uptime, and you have weekly backups. You have 100% gigabyte SSD storage. That's amazing. You get a free domain for 1 year, all just for $32.29. This is an amazing deal, and trust me, I would advise that you invest as small as possible into something like this for you to get good premium hosting. And trust me, I'm not trying to just tell you my experience alone using Hostinger. Let's check out what a lot of people have said about this platform. You can see that Hostinger has 14,000 reviews, and it is 4 point still is having an excellent of about 4.6 out of 5. So you can see 83% of people using this platform have given it a 5-star rating. 83% of 14,000 people. That's not small number. Numbers, they say, don't lie, and that's the reason why this would be my recommended hosting for you. I also have links to several videos on hosting and how you can set things up in the description. You can also check on the screen. You should be able to see how to set things up. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I can only but wish you well on your project to having your own website. I hope you take my advice seriously. I must confess that the link to Hostinger in the description is my affiliate link. If you buy through that link, I will get a certain commission. But the thing is that if you go through my link, you have access to about 80% off, like I showed you earlier, and also use my coupon code to even get for that discount. Buying through my link is just the easy way for you to support this channel, and I appreciate that support so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video has been useful to you. If it has, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will look up for your questions. Thank you, and that's my time right now. I will see you in another video, and until then, make sure you have a nice time.